Hazrat Mujahid narrates that he heard Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu saying, in Banu Israel there was a practice of taking retaliation but not of blood wit. But Allah Jalla Jalaluhu commanded this ummah, it is obligatory upon you to take retaliation of the blood of those who are killed innocently, the free for free, and the slave for slave, and woman for woman. Then as for him who is forgiven something by his brother, to forgive means one takes blood wit for intentional killing. There should be demand for payment with kindness, and payment be made satisfactorily well. To make payment in a nice way according to the practice in vogue. It is to ease your burden from your Lord and a mercy upon you. Only the retaliation was made obligatory upon the people before you. Then after this one who transgresses, for him there is a painful torment. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4498.